How to fix delays in receiving emails in Outlook. So here I am in my Outlook account. So I'm using the classic version of Outlook. So if you are experiencing delays in receiving emails, what you need to do is that you just need to change some settings. So from here, just go to the send and receive tab and then go to this one, the send and receive groups. So click on that, and then from here, click the define send and receive groups. From here, you should see this window appear right here. So from here, you can see that the automatic send and receive is set to 30 minutes. So in order to fix that delay, you just need to change this to 1 minute. And then you can also include to perform an automatic send receive when exiting, so that it will be updated every time that you exit as well. And then when Outlook is offline, you can also schedule an automatic send and receive every 1 minute so that you don't have any delay. Once you're done, you can just click close, and then the problem should now be fixed. So you should not have any delays anymore when using the classic Outlook. So if you have the new version of Outlook, so this problem is already fixed, and then the new version of Outlook doesn't have the tab for the send and receive options anymore. So the only thing that you need to change is for the classic version of Outlook. But if you are using the new version of Outlook, you don't need to worry about that problem anymore, since Microsoft has already fixed that problem. And then that's it. So I hope you learned how to fix it, and thank you for watching.